How are you, YouTube? George here. Just a follow-up video to the live I done on Garrett's Stalker. I ran out of time and I came back to it. So there was a second diode across the power supply that was gone bad, and thanks to Ray the Jedi for the assist, because it would have taken me 6 months to find it on my own. But however, she's working. Meter is goosed, and it needs a good tune. It's there for it to be on frequency, and we're near the end of the travel, so needs a good tune. But very clean inside. Lovely radio. It's not been messed with at all, so yeah, quite cool. So yeah, we'll go through it, Garrett, Jesus Christ, and see what else it needs. But for now, it's working, and happy days.